I'm James Howes, Dean of Business, and therefore Dean of the Accounting Program. Welcome, and if you're lucky, I will be seeing you in Theory 2. We wish you nothing but success in the entire program, and if you need help, please reach out to any of us as soon as you can.
And welcome to IRSC's BS Accounting Program. My name is Tracy Stant, and I'm the Department Chair of the Accounting Department. Here, when you get started, you are going to be provided with a program of study, and we highly recommend that you follow this very closely. Here's a closer look at that program of study. It's going to be your guide as you work through the Bachelor's of Science in Accounting program. Upon entering your bachelor program, you should already have completed your associate degree. Depending on what type of degree, whether if it was an AA or an AS, you may have to go back and take a few other 1,000 or 2,000 level courses. But assuming that you have all of those done, then you'll be entering your bachelor program, which is going to be a total of 60 credits or 20 classes. As you can see here, we have this split out into your first year, which is technically your junior year, and then your second year, which is your senior year. So this is just a schedule for a full-time student, assuming that they are taking courses just in the fall and the spring. Now, you'll notice here on this schedule that there are 8 bolded classes. Those 8 bolded classes are considered your accounting core. So Theory 1 and Theory 2, AIS, and cost accounting, government, federal taxation, which is individual taxation, auditing, and corporate tax. And that's where we're really going to dig into your specific major and really explore a lot of the different specializations within accounting. Now, you'll notice these other courses that we have here, these additional 12, this is a combination of your business core. So any class here that is not bolded, but does not have a plus sign, those are considered your business core classes. And so those are the business courses that we as a department sat down and said every accounting should have, right? And then you'll notice these little plus signs here. These are your electives. So within the program currently, effective spring 2023, we have 4 electives, and you get to choose from either the list there, or we have some alternatives as well that you can choose from also. We highly, highly recommend that one of your electives be this Tax 4940 IRS Vita Tax Practicum. Now, one thing that we have to always keep in mind whenever we are creating a schedule, and hopefully your advisor will already know this, but if you ever have any questions, please feel free to come ask us, is these 8 accounting core, the bolded ones that I pointed out previously, these are only offered in specific semesters. For example, in the fall, we offer Theory 1, AIS, government, and Fed tax. Now, there's a little exception with these theory courses, Theory 1 and Theory 2. Theory 1 is considered a little bit of a more difficult course, so we have a few students who may have to repeat it once or twice. There will be one section of Theory 1 usually offered in spring, and for Theory 2, same idea, there will usually be one section of Theory 2 offered in fall. These bolded classes are offered in fall, plus one section of Theory 2. These bolded classes are offered in spring, plus one section of Theory 1, just in case. Another thing to keep in mind is that these 8 accounting core are only offered in person on Fort Pierce campus. We've tried the online thing. It does not work. Now, and I'm going to say the majority of your business core and your electives, those can be taken online usually, either online or synchronous. Of course, this IRS Vita Tax Practicum, this is actually us doing taxes for the community, so that one has to be in person. So this is the one I'd say, yeah, that one will never be offered online. Now, another thing you might be asking yourself is, well, I like to take some classes over the summer. Keep in mind, summer courses, you're usually going to be doing some of your business core and some of your electives. None of the accounting core will ever be offered during the summer. Another thing that I can tell you is that for your business core and your electives, it's not guaranteed that every single one will be offered over the summer. One other thing, as you're going through this, please make sure that you do stay in contact with your advisor. Obviously, we can't create your schedules, but we can kind of give you a little information as it relates to the program and the way these classes are set up. There are a lot of things that we're going to be able to tell you as the faculty that teach these courses, such as, hey, your first semester, I would recommend that you take 2 accounting classes and no more more. We really do not recommend that you take more than 2 accounting classes in one semester. If you get A's in everything and you're feeling 100% comfortable, maybe increase it to 3, but definitely no more. Keep in contact with us. We'll give you our honest opinions on things. Really, the ultimate goal is to see you complete your Bachelor's of Accounting program and go on and start your career in whatever specialized field that you really are interested in. So if you ever have questions, feel free to reach out to any of the full-time accounting faculty members and we'll be happy to help you. So as you just saw in our program of study, your first semester should include your Theory 1 course. I will be your professor for that course. One thing I want you to keep in mind is that these courses are going to be vastly different from what you experienced in Financial Accounting 1, 2, and Managerial. What you did before, probably kind of lackadaisically going through the book, and maybe just attending classes isn't going to be enough now that you're in theory. It's going to be expected that you read the book before each class, that you come prepared, and that you are ready to participate with your fellow classmates.
Hi, I'm Professor Boucher, and I'm one of the accounting faculty here at Indian River State College. I mostly teach tax, which is why I'm going to start talking about the VITA program. So the VITA program is the Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program. It's where you as a student are going to get the opportunity to hone the skills that you learned in class about taxes by preparing taxes for people in our community. We have this now as an actual class that you can take as an elective that counts towards your program. So I hope to see all of you there. Now that you're in your junior year, it's time to start to think about what you're going to be doing. Again, one of the unique things that we offer here at Indian River State College is starting this semester, you're going to see accounting firms from the local area coming into our classrooms and talking about internship opportunities. Now, these internship opportunities are paid positions, so you're going to have the ability to learn while you're going ahead and working in the field. So when they come in, make sure to talk to them and fill out an application.
Hello everyone. For those that don't know me, my name is Professor Neil Chinese. I'm one of the accounting instructors here at the college. To give you a little background, I do teach accounting information systems and audit, so you'll have me for a couple of your courses. Today we're going to be getting into expectations in our program. First and foremost, it's going to be imperative that you read your textbook. I'm sure that's been hammered in a few times here and there, but it's very, very important. You need to come to class prepared, and all of us instructors will expect you've read the material prior to coming and learning the given topic. Next, it's very important that you spend on each and every one of your accounting courses 1 hour a day studying and preparing and reviewing the material. There's nothing more important than reinforcing what you've talked about in class, what you've read previously going into class, and what's been discussed in reviews. Next, another expectation is we want students involved in our courses. We don't just want to be sitting there lecturing the entire time. We want a constructive discussion amongst everyone in the room. So be prepared to get involved, engage, not only with the instructors, but also peer-to-peer within the classroom.
Another great opportunity that we have here is the accounting club. Now, you may have already signed up for it when you were in your lower level, but it's a great opportunity still in your upper division to sign up. You can go ahead and make connections with peers. I can't say it enough that the connections you make now are the connections you're going to be able to carry into your career. So make friends, learn more about the opportunities in the field, and also get to know your professors a little bit better. That way, if you ever have questions about, should I go into tax? The answer is yes. Or should I go into audit? Right? Professor Chinese can talk to you about that. We'll always be here to be able to support you.
So here we have our accounting tutoring lab. Please keep in mind that this lab is designated for Accounting 1, Accounting 2, and Managerial students. That doesn't mean you can't come and use the lab for studying or going on to the computers. Just know it is designated for them, and tutors will be specifically queued up for those students.
One of the unique things that we offer in the accounting department is an annual meet and greet. This is going to give you the opportunity as a student to hear from an array of accounting professionals in fields such as forensic, tax, audit. Even the IRS usually shows up to go ahead and talk to you about the career fields open to you. After that, you're going to have the opportunity to meet and mingle with all of those people and make some of those connections to see where they carry you in the future.
So next topic we'll be getting into is academic honesty. And in our program, we take this very seriously. In all of your classes, your bachelor level classes, you will be signing an academic honesty form, basically saying that you'll be adhering to the rules of our program. You won't be plagiarizing, no cheating, no using other people's work, and you'll be signing off on that, agreeing that you will not cheat in any way, shape, or form. Now, to elaborate on what could be considered cheating, Chegg, Course Hero, taking someone else's work from those sites, uploading our assessments onto those sites, that is considered cheating, and there will be consequences for those actions. Another thing to be aware of is that you may ask yourself, well, how do we find out? We do have designated individuals in our department that will scour the internet looking for those uploads. So just please be aware of that. We want to have a high level of integrity in our program, a high level of your overall success leaving this program.
As you can see, we're committed to your success both professionally and academically. I hope that you take advantage of all of the opportunities that you have here to further develop yourself both in school and your career. And remember, your career in accounting starts here.